Okay, so we're gonna try this new camera to record. So I found an issue with this Sonic Maximizer. I'm not sure if it's the problem to which the customer is complaining about. However, I have roughly, I just got to start my SIGGEN, 900 millivolts coming in here on each channel. And then on the outputs, we have 768 on that one and 568 on this one. 568 millivolts peak to peak. Now that's a difference of about over 400 millivolts or so. So there's something going on in the circuit here. On one of the channels is weaker than the other, and I've set all the controls up the same way so that I can try to mimic the same settings here, the same amplitudes for the definition and contour. They're maxed out.